Good morning, everybody. We will see the basic lecture of C language. So, the history of C language, the previous C language, there are three languages are available. First one is the Algo language. Second one is the BCPL. BCPL is nothing but the basic combined programming language, and then the CPL. So then develop the B language and then develop the C language. C language is designed by the Dennis Ritchie in 80 and T. Bell Laboratories in 1972. Okay, and it is a procedure oriented language. Structure oriented language means we cannot define the main function below and then other things are defined in above section. It is not valid in a C language. It has a fixed syntax and then we can follow it. Then the C++ programming is developed, that is a procedure oriented object oriented language. Okay, then the Java is developed and then the C# is invented. Okay, these are the history of the C language, and then we see the basic concept of the C language. Okay, so introduction of the C language. In the introduction, the tokens are must. Tokens is the smallest individual unit part of the program. There are 6 keywords in a C language. First one, the keyword, identifier, operator, constant, string, and the special symbol. In this C language, there are 32 keywords, and the lower, this is the rules of the keywords. It always written in lower case, and the keyword is a word who's already known to the compiler. Then the identifier is used to identify the constant rules. Do not start with the digit and numbers. For example, 1a, this is not valid. A1 is the valued. Then the white space is not allowed. For example, r equals to no space RNO. R equals to R underscore NO is also valid, and RNO is also valid, but only white space is not allowed. Then the keywords is not used as an identifier. Okay, keywords means it's a reserved word. We cannot use keyword as an identifier. It's keyword you cannot use as a variable. Okay, for example, if is the keyword, so if cannot used as a variable. Okay, then we will see the integer. What is meant by integer? Integer is nothing but the whole number. Okay, it does not have any fractional value, that is a 123, b is equals to minus 23. It may be positive or it may be negative. Okay, then the float, integer float character, it is nothing but the data type. Okay, float is a fractional number, and it is a consist of a 2 as well as positive as well as a negative number. Okay, only fractional. Integer is the whole number and float is the fractional number. Okay, then in a character, it has a two types, that is a single character, okay, and the multiple character. The collection of character is nothing but the string, and in a single character is a consist of a uppercase, lowercase, and special symbol and number. Okay, whole things are including the single character. Okay, uppercase, lowercase, and symbol. Okay, a b c plus and 5. String is the collection of the character. It is written in a double code. Okay, string always written in a double code. Then operator, we will see operator. Okay, arithmetic operator, relational operator, unary operator. In unary operator, increment and decrement, these are the subtypes. Okay, we will see what is the increment and decrement. Okay, always remember, when we consider increment operator, the value is increased by 1 plus 1. Okay, this I is equals to plus 1. When suppose I is equals to 4, using 4, these 4 plus 1 equals to 5. When we use decrement operator, the I minus minus equals to 4, I or minus minus I, these are the both things are the same, I minus minus or minus minus I, okay, it will decrement by 1, okay, I minus 1 3, minus minus I or I plus plus, both are same things, okay, I is equals to I minus 1 3 and I is equals to I minus 1 is also 3, okay, these are the unary operator, okay. Then keywords, there are 32 keywords in the C language: integer, if, do, default, constant, return, short, structure, float, else, switch, auto, go to, void, long, union, char, case, static, break, type of, sign, register, for, okay. Then the bitwise operator, in the bitwise operator and or one's complement, left shift, right shift, okay, and or is nothing but the, always remember, and means both things are true and or means any one condition are true, okay. And in left shift operator, these two digit of a left shift, left hand side of a 2 digit is left at the right hand side, okay, as it is this 4 digit, then this 4 digit, so these 2 digit are shift in this side, okay, these 2 are taking as it is, these 4 are taking as it is, and these 2 digit are shift this side as it is. Right shift operator, this right hand side, 2 digit are shift at the left hand side, and these 4 digit are taking as it is, and these 2 digit are taking as it is, okay, understand. Then logical operator, in the logical operator also we use double and double or not operator, okay, a is equals to 20, b is equals to 80, a is less than b, and a is greater than b, okay. 1 and 0 means a false value. Then the assignment operator is used for assign a value to the variable, okay. Then the data types is using primary data, derived data, and user defined data type. In the primary data type, integer, float, char, double, okay. In the derived, array, function. In the user defined, type, dep, and enum, okay. What is, we have already seen the primitive data type: integer, character, float, and double. Then the main concept we will see in the next lecture.